I kind of want to share with you guys what I have planned to homeschool my 2.5-year-old this August. I have like our number of the week activities as well as our letter of the week activities. Besides doing playing preschool year 1 with our 2.5-year-old, I do have our nursery rhymes busy book, our brain quest for twos, pre-writing strokes, her learning journal, as well as her morning menu. This learning journal, this one is actually going to align with playing preschool year 1. I think it's Tuesdays and Thursdays when playing preschool introduces or reviews a letter. Notice she loves anything with dot stickers and anything with glue. Playing preschool year 1, it doesn't go in order, it jumps around the alphabet. She is actually really good at holding like an expo marker and just tracing things. She's gonna start this, pretty much has the green red dots, and it's really cute. We are going to continue with our morning menu. We are going to continue with our brain quest. Something else that I did make them, and I do have it for like on my Teachers Pay Teachers, is a nursery rhyme busy book. Nursery rhyme, songs, stuff that we're like all used to. And finally, the curriculum that's pretty much going to be the spine of our 2.5-year-old's homeschool journey. When my son did it, he was 3.5. She's doing it at 2.5. I know she's ready for this already. I kind of want it to all be like, you know, learning through play. If there is any writing, it's probably going to be her pre-writing strokes that she's just going to be having practice with, but it's going to be our 2nd year using this curriculum. We really enjoyed it. I'll definitely make like another video breaking down the activities that I have for our number of the week and letter of the week. Yeah, this is kind of everything I have planned for our 2.5-year-old.